Hi, welcome to my channel. So easy with Chidima. And on this channel, I'll be taking you on everything relating to fashion designing, tailoring, easy way. Because here we're going to go the easy way out. I'll try my best to break it down, to make it very easy for everyone to understand. So if you are just seeing this video, please don't forget to like and follow us. Today we'll be talking about measurement, and once you hear measurement, we are talking about tape rule, measuring tape. So this is the common type of tape rule you see. It has this metal part whenever you buy it, but most times once this metal shifts, it tends to alter your measurement. So today, I'll be explaining the tape rule for you using this one that I've removed the metal. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Just try and watch. Yes, I've removed the metal rule so that I can explain very well to you guys. So this tape comes like this. It has 8 tiny lines in between. This part we are seeing here, is the inches line, while the back is the centimeter. This centimeter now has up to 150, but most times while the inches stops at 60, most of our measurements comes in inches. So that's why as a designer, we work mostly with the inches because most measurement comes in inches. So today I'm going to be explaining using the inches for you. So watch very well, because on this line you are seeing, you see them 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and between each inches you see 8 lines. This book here, I drew it, this is like the same tape, but I drew it bigger so that for easy understanding and clarity. So you see that each line here, this is like the 0 inch, and this one is 1 inch. So between these 8 lines, you get 1 inch. In between the lines, they are like eight. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You understand? To make 1 inch. And all these tiny lines you are seeing, they have name. This first one you are seeing is 1/8. You understand? The second one is 2/8. The third, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. That's the 1 inch. That's 1 inch. And as you can see, all these, like this 2/8, 4/8, 6/8, if you are a mathematician, or you know that they can still be broken down, like that 2/8, you can still break it to the lowest factor. So when you break 2/8, we'll be having 1/4. The other one, when 4 and 8 breaks, you have 1/2, while the other one is 3/4. You understand? So this 1/4, that's what we call 1/4. I don't know if you have had something like that. 1/4, 1/4. Why the 1/2, that's half an inch. That's the half an inch. Why the other one is 3/4. This 1/2 is half an inch. You get? That's the middle. The middle, that's the 1/2. That's the half of an inch. We call it half an inch. So most times our measurements, because we tend to use calculator to make things easier. Sometimes when you measure your client, you are done measuring, when you want to work, you tend to use calculator to calculate. So when you calculate, let's break it down with calculator first so that I will show you how to implement all these numbers you are seeing. So when you divide 1/8, we'll be having 1 point, sorry, 0.125. 0.125. 1 divided by 8, 0.125. 1 divided by 4, 1, excuse me, 1 divided by 8 will be giving us 0.125. You can use your calculator. So now 1 divided by 4, this 1 divided by 4, when you use your calculator to divide 1 divided by 4, you see that it will be giving us 0.25. 0.25. When you divide 3 divided by 8, 0.375. Look at it. 0.375. Then for our half an inch, we already know that it was initially 4/8. That's like the fourth line. So when it's being divided, when it's broken down, you get 1/2. And when 1 divided by 2, we'll be having 0.5. So I don't know. Just you have to bear with me for now. As we continue, we tend to grow. I'll make provisions for certain things. Okay, 0.5. Then this 5/8, when we divide it, we'll be having 0.625. Yeah, 0.625. Then for this one, we'll be having 0.75. That's when 3 divided by 4 will give us 0.75. Then for the last one, we'll be having 0.875. 0.8756. 0.875. Why this? 8 divided by 8 is 1 inch. Now, all this, you don't need to like know them off heart. You can use your calculator to like make your calculations. You can use your calculator to make your calculations for easier and faster calculating. So okay, so you by the time you know all this, I think this mainly we get this when we use our calculator. For now, let's learn how to implement them using our tape rule. Okay. For example, our client waist, or let's say our client hip circumference is 43. Mhm. Let's say, for example, our client hip measurement is 43. Now, we will now say this 43 divided by 4. Because in tailoring, you see your bust, your waist, and your hip. Most times we end up dividing them by 4. So, like you now say 43 divided by 4. 43 divided, you see that this 43 divided by 4 will be giving us 10.75. Yeah, this will be giving us 10.75. And you find out that in your rule, this is 10. But we don't have 0.75. You get? There's nothing like 0.75 here. You get me? So 10.75. This is our tape rule. This is number 10. This is 11. Like 10 inches, 11 inches, 12 inches. Now, but this year we are looking for 10.75. I know with time you just like, since it's 7, you count. Remember in our former tape, where was the 0.7, 0.75? 0.75 was giving us here. Understood? We have 0.75. Understood? 0.75. So 10.75. 10.75. You don't need anybody to tell you. This is your 10. Hmm? This is your 10.1. This is your 10.25, 10.375, half an inch. You get 10.06 and 10.7, 10.75. Understood? So 10.75 is this line, this particular line here, here. You get, here is what will be giving us our 10.7 from here, from our calculation. Is that clear? Okay, let's take another example. Let's take another example. Now, let's say our boss, the client boss is 37. You say 37 divided by 4. You will notice that 37 divided by 4 is giving us 9.25. Then 9.25. Simple. You go to your tape rule. Normally your brain will tell you 9. Now 0.25. Remember, this first line from our calculation, we have 1.2. So 9.25 should be giving us 1, 2. Here, it, here, this particular line here. Is that clear? So that's how we do it when it comes to tailoring. Once you know the basic, once you know your inches, how it's being gotten, how to make use of your calculator, you see that it's easy. It's easy. Once a calculation comes to you, you make use of your calculator, you get the number, then you implement it. The reason why there is 0.0.0.0 is because we are making use of zero, the inches is 0 inch to 1 inch. You get 0 inch to 1 inch. So if there is a number in between, you get, if there's a number in between, like let's say 10, okay, let me use another one, 20.75. That means you get, look for 20 inch and 75 should be this line somewhere here. You understand? Let me use the tape so that I don't confuse you. When, let's say for example, we calculate and we are having 18 point, okay, 18.5. Simple. It means 18 and a half. 18.5. You calculate again, you divide by 4, and your calculator is giving you 33.8. 33.875 or 33.8, 33.82 something, 33. You get within that 8 range. You don't need anybody to tell you that. You go to 33 and you look for your, say, from your calculator, 8 is somewhere here. You get me? So most times the shortcuts towards it, most tailors don't even ask you all these points. Once they see 8, they count. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get me? You get the check. That's like the shortcut. But the standard way of knowing it is this. You use your calculator. We don't do guesswork. But if you are in a haze, like all those shortcuts, you just see 0 points. Okay, you see 22.7. You take your calculator, 22. Go to 22.7. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get the jack. So that's how we do it over here. And thank you for your love, for your support. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we promise to keep showing up, keep doing our best. See you next time. Thank you. Love you.